We going cheers, yeah? Cheers, yeah? Smoked trout, smoked mackerel, smoked herring, or smoked salmon, smoked herring, smoked whitefish. Potato.
Maybe I'll throw it over to the table across the way. Knock it in, Ben! So we're currently standing in the guest services line. Super long line. Because a lot of people are having issues with the app. But we did as well. All we had to do was log off and log back on and it worked fine. But we noticed today that we have been getting charged for the drinks that we've been getting at the bars. And we have the beverage package, which we shouldn't be getting charged. So we're trying to figure that out and also get our military discount applied to our account. So that's what's happening right now.
And we have a special offer for you, my friend.
$200, not even $2,100, not even $2,000, not even at $1,500.
Gonna see if the pizza stands true to the best pizza at sea.
Whatever. From you?
What happened? Everybody's happy.
There you go.
Can I get you anything else?
Yeah, there we go. Cheers.
Nathan.
Yes, of course. Cheers.